Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to go over how to create a sort of like a pan or zoom in type effect within Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. Right here, we'll use this time lapse for an example. Sort of want to just do a subtle or nice slow zoom in type effect to this time lapse here. And in order to do that, what we can do is create keyframes and scale into it a bit. And what I mean by that, I'll show you. So right here, we go to Effect Controls, and where it says Scale, we can press this little, it looks like a stop clock type icon right here. And what that'll do is set a keyframe at the beginning of our clip. And then we'll go towards the end of the clip. I usually go right before the end of the clip. And then what we can do is increase this number, and see to the right how it's sort of scaling in. That set the second scale keyframe, and then I usually slide that all the way to the end where it can't go any further, and then all the way to the beginning. And now we'll run this back, and you'll see now to the right there's a slight scale in type effect being created here. It's just a cool, subtle little add-on to some edits sometimes. Just makes a unique look. Clips don't necessarily need it, like this time lapse. It looks cool without the zoom type effect, but just gives you the option. And just wanted to show you how you could zoom in and create that type of, I guess, dolly or scale in type effect within Adobe Premiere 2021. Well, anyways, everybody, like always, thanks for tuning in. And if you have any comments on how to do this or how to do it better, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you, and have a great day.